we're going to need a file to create our synthetic data sets, right? Because we said we're going to need data. So let's create a new file, and we're going to call this datagen.py. And again, we're not trying to start with a blank screen, right? This is a blank screen. I don't want to work from a blank screen. I want ChatGPT to work from a blank screen, right? So now we bring up our friend ChatGPT, right? And so this is a limitation you guys might run up against. OpenAI has recently limited the amount of queries you can make of their ChatGPT 4.0 model. So I do have a paid subscription to OpenAI. I think it's $20 a month. So I understand not everybody here might have that, but I'm doing this because presuming that you're working for a company in a professional environment, you'll probably also have some sort of subscription to a tool. So I understand that as we go through this, maybe you're going to run up against the limit. That's okay. What they do is they let you go down to, I think it's either 4.0 mini or they bring you down to 3.5. So you can still continue, and maybe the answers aren't going to be as great as they would be in the 4.0 model, but it's still good enough, right? Or you can use something else. I've also done similar exercises with Claude from Anthropic. Claude is also very good at generating code. In fact, I think sometimes it produces cleaner code than ChatGPT does. But they also have restrictions on how many you can make per every 4 hours or something like that. So I don't want you guys to get caught up in the tools, but I do admit that I'm going to be showing you some stuff that maybe you're going to run up. You're going to run up against the usage limit. So keep that in mind. Okay, so first I want to establish some context. So we're going to ask for a synthetic data set.